let's back to continue working on our chatbot plugin. So far it's working. So far it's doing great. It's creating the chat. I can answer from the admin panel, and everything working. The AI is working behind it. But now I want to improve it. I want to change the design. I don't want it to be like this. I want to, mm, for example, have a floating button here on the right side, and then when I click on it, it opens the chat like all the chat bots existing already. So one thing that I want to do, I want to use Claude here, and look what I'm doing. Okay, I already made a WordPress chatbot plugin, and I want to improve the design of the chatbot. I want it to be a floating button on the bottom right side of the screen, and then some clean design for the chat, uh, maybe something like white and very clean. I don't want to be very fancy, but I want to be clean. Create an artifact and show it to me. It should be just HTML because I'm gonna use it for WordPress. That's it. One of the interesting and cool features of Cloudy is this artifact that it can create an HTML file, and then you can see that HTML file. Sometimes it's using even React, but here I just want it to be an HTML. And now it's creating it, it's writing it, and let's see. Soon we are going to see the result. Yep, here it is. Clicking on it, chatbot is open. Hi, and like that. Okay, I want to add something more. In our chat, there is three different users um, or persona. One of them is the AI, one of them is the user, and one of them is the admin. So I want to have somehow to at least mention that is it the AI answering or admin answering? The user doesn't matter because it's visible that it's the user talking. But for the admin and AI, because it can be a real person or it can be a AI answering. So I want it to be visible. Okay, now it's update the artifact, and it's not creating everything again. It's just updating what it did before. And just it's making two like this one. Here system. I guess this is good for us. Um, yeah. Okay. No. Now I want to use the HTML. There is a copy button. I can use that. I want to come back here Okay, so I close the cloud. I need to open it again, and there is just one command that you can check still even still you're connected to your MCPs, and yeah. But for now, I don't need MCPs. I just wanted to try to see how it works. And now I want to create the project with, okay, first I want to tell it to read the documents that we already made, the README, anything it can. So it has some context about it. Every time we create a new chat with AI, it has no knowledge about what we are doing and what we want to talk with it. And this way, we are telling it to get some knowledge, know what we want to do, what we did before, and now we want to continue. And you see, I'm all the time trying to tell it to create some summary, create some README, create some documentations, and then because then when we want to continue, we have some stuff to tell the AI faster about what we were doing before. Even if I want to work on a project that already exists, first thing I'm doing, I'm starting to ask AI to create some documents about different parts of the project, about different processes, about like for example how migration is if there is a database, how we can make a migration for that database. Depends on the frameworks you are using, it might be different in the project to project. And we usually want to use the same approach that we used before. So it's very good practice to first check all these patterns that you're using in your current code base and create some documents. And this way, you can tell it to get there faster. Okay, it seems it's noticed what we wanted to do. Now, okay, let's use voice switcher. Now I want to now I want to update the UI of the client chat. I already prepared some HTML as a template. Um, Try to update the UI. I want the UI to be floating on the right bottom side of the screen. Okay, and let's go. Ah, okay, this, okay, the thing is this software that I'm using to transcribe my voice. It actually copy the transcription in the clipboard and then paste it. That's why I think that I already copied it something. So let's see what is happening. So yeah, this is a good practice also to use Claude Desktop for designing the UI. Like it can do the design almost every part of your app. Like I even tried to design the Android application. I mean, not the final design, some mock-up for some maybe MVP, something to show to someone. It's still very much better than just a wireframe. You can explain to it what you want, and it makes something that it's even functioning. You see, it's functioning, it's working. It's not totally working, but it's functioning. That's fun. And you can even publish it, like publish, and you can give this link to someone and they can uh, see the design and they can work with it. You see, I can leave this link also in the description if you want. But yeah, so let's go back here. What we have here, chatbot CSS. Yes, Okay, it created the task, update the CSS, update the PHP, implement the floating design, update the chat documents, and that function. Okay, okay. Mhm. Okay, let's see what it is. Nice. There is no more chat button here. Click in here. All our chat is here. Admin, hello area. Uh, uh, Okay, one thing that I noticed that it cannot understand that I'm not admin. Okay, strong password. Uh, and it's this one. It's, admin is all that. And oh, why he didn't get the message? If I refresh here, okay. First, let's say this one. Okay, the design is okay, but there is a small issue. Oh, there is a small issue which we are all the time showing admin, while the user can be admin or AI, because I want to be visible that is it the AI answering or is the admin is a real person answering. So I want to distinguish these two, but you're all the time writing admin. Okay, I noticed two bugs here. One of them is this chat doesn't have a pooling mechanism. So when I'm sending any message uh, from the user, from the admin to the user, we don't see the message actually in the user side. And actually here is the same. Why? Oh, sorry. Why this is happening? Because we are actually using pooling mechanism. So until I don't refresh the page, I don't see the changes. And we need to change it. It's not good. Yep. But I don't want to. What happened? I didn't take the reason is okay, but there is an issue that we show admin for both AI and admin, which I mean when the AI is answering, we want to write there that is AI. And when admin is answering, we want to specify that it's admin, which is a real person answering. Okay. There you go. Okay, it says that I did it. Let's try. How can I use this? Still saying I can. Wow, something is broken. Something is broken. Something about the um, check it yourself. Okay, this browser tool is very important. Otherwise, I just need to tell it go, 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 and I get nothing. I don't let it do. Okay. I'm afraid if it's going to make the creative visible. What is doing? No, wrong setting. It's trying to go to the setting. It's a bit slower. Okay, let me have a look at this confused. Oops, what what happened? Why if it doesn't exist? No, it's exists. This one. Came here to see what test it. Hmm, I don't think so. I don't think it. Mm, interesting. Why the API is not here? Probably that's why the answer is wrong. Let me confirm. Let's look in the screen.